Welcome to Periodic Castle with Jumpy Juaria.
And today we will start with the first of the element, the first member of the periodic table or our castle. Yes, hydrogen. Hydrogen is so abundant, it is everywhere in the atmosphere.
Water is made up of two, hydrogen and oxygen.
Okay, what is two? Two molecules or two atoms. Water is a molecule. Yes.
Water does not have any taste, no?
Yes.
So means hydrogen also does not have any taste.
Okay, hydrogen is basically
Hydrogen
pure hydrogen
is an element.
Yeah, it's an element. And if you look at a hydrogen gas in a glass, it will look like purplish color when electrified, when electrons are given to it. But generally, hydrogen is all across in our space, in universe.
Planets have hydrogen?
Oh yes, the biggest planets, the Jupiter, is nothing but a ball of hydrogen. So Amitabh Bachchan was asking a question in Kaun Banega Crorepati that which is the planet which has a solid surface, and the choices were
Jupiter.
Mars, Jupiter, Saturn or Uranus.
Jupiter.
No, it's Mars because
Why?
we have landed. Mangalyaan landed in Mars, but
Who's Mangalyaan?
Mangalyaan is India's spaceship to Mars, our space mission to Mars. But the rest of the planets are just gas balls. They don't have a surface. You can't walk there. You'll fly there, right? So Jupiter is actually hydrogen mixed with other gases like helium and methane. But that's
So
for
Mars is the strongest.
yeah, we will do an entire solar system with Jumpy Juaria. So we'll do a science thing. But today, when I talk about hydrogen, think of hydrogen. Simple atomic symbol of hydrogen would be
H.
just H, and the atomic number is 1. So hydrogen is just perfect state. It has got one proton and one electron. 1 plus 1 minus. It contains just exactly the simplest of it, which is why hydrogen can combine with lot of other elements and form one of the most important thing we need. And as you said,
Water.
Softy, water. So water is a molecule. When the atoms join, they become molecule. So water is called H2O. Two atoms of hydrogen,
and two atoms.
one H2O, only one atom of oxygen. Alright, so now although hydrogen is rare in the Earth's atmosphere, it is very very common in universe. Even sun has large amount of hydrogen. Can you think of it? The entire sun is like 4/5 hydrogen. So think of sun as a big pizza. It's divided in 5 parts.
And
4 parts of sun is hydrogen. Yes.
Hydrogen is some of the thing in the sun.
Yes.
And some parts of the sun, they are made of
Other gases like helium, methane. So new stars such as the nebulas are all made of hydrogen. By the way, hydrogen as a gas is the lightest element of all. So light, that is why all your gas balloons are filled with hydrogen. So when you have these big balloons that fly in the sky, that's all filled with hydrogen. Yes. And sometimes even hydrogen is used in rocket fuel. So it's super cool liquid hydrogen you put in rocket and it becomes rocket fuel, which is where you go to moon and Mars and to space. Isn't it amazing? Yeah, so you fill this whole liquid hydrogen and it zoop noozles out with leaving a hot vapor, and the vapor puts a big thrust and the rocket launches itself into the orbit. The biggest challenge for launching a rocket is defying the Earth's gravity. The gravity holds the rocket back and you have to run through against the rocket. By the way, we also know that hydrogen can be used to make hydrogen bomb. And hydrogen bombs are so dangerous. The hydrogen bombs are dangerous than the atomic bombs. But you also use hydrogen in good things like a hydrogen powered bus. It's a nice clean energy. You don't need petrol or diesel. It does not cause all the pollution that we have. We must actually use hydrogen power buses. The only waste that will come out is steam. Like small steam will come out.
And then it will be finished.
Yeah, and it'll just go in and mix in the oxygen. Alright. And margarine. Margarine is actually thickened. You see little margarine, butter and all. You mix hydrogen into it to make it thick. Yuck. Alright. So this is our first element of the periodic castle, our friend hydrogen. What's the atomic number?
1.
What's the atomic symbol?
H.
And what is the symbol of water?
Hydrogen.
Okay. Jumpy is in grade 3. So H2O. 3 atoms made of one molecule of water. Alright. Time to drink some water and say good night.
Good night.